Well, hi, it's Jeff. I'm back and it's 2026. Happy New Year. I'm going to start slow because I've had a little bit of a problem at the end of last year, but I'm easing my way back into making videos. So today I'm going to show you a little bit of Kohler cast iron tub cleaner. So follow me, I'll take you in there. It's just a little short video. We had really bad deposits from the calcium in the tub. So I looked online and found Kohler cast iron cleaner would be the strongest thing and the best thing to take those deposits away. So today I'm going to take a deep dive into cleaning this cast iron tub. And what I've got is a product called Kohler Cast Iron Cleaning. Because of the hard water, there's lots of deposits and scale in the tub. And I've seen this cleaner with reviews of where it really works well. So I'm going to try and see if I can get the shine back to this cast iron tub. The instructions are shake well and apply with a wet rag. So here I go. So the instructions in the bottle say to shake well and apply with a wet cloth. What we're trying to do is get all of this stuff out of the tub. I'm going to give a little extra squirt there and let this work on all of the scale buildup on the cast iron tub. We've tried all kinds of abrasive cleaners and things to get this stuff in the past, and we're hoping that this Kohler is the answer to get a cast iron tub clean and scale free. One of the things that we've changed in our shower is we've added a water softener to capture some of the scale that comes out of the faucet here with the city water in Nice. We're in a situation where there's a lot of minerals, calcium and magnesium, in the city water. What I'd like to do is half of the tub for this demonstration video, and then we'll rinse it, come back, rinse it down, and see if we can tell a difference. between the part that's cleaned with a cast iron cleaner and a part of the tub that's the original. And in the past we've tried ammonia, we've tried Ajax cleaner, we've tried just about everything that you can imagine. But this is our hope, to actually get the tub clean. So we're going to leave that on there. The interesting thing is it says, shake before use for enameled cast iron tubs. Never use an abrasive material such as a scouring pad or brush. Loosen the soil with a rubbing action and then rinse with clean water. Repeat for a brighter shine. You can polish it with a soft, dry cloth. All right. Well, I'm going to let that go for about 5 or 10 minutes to work on those hard mineral deposits, and then we'll come back and rinse this tub down and see if there's any improvement. Well, it has been about a half an hour and the tub has dried out, but I think I'm going to have to do a second coat because I can still see some of the deposits on the cast iron tub. Now this end is in much better shape than the other end, but I still think I'm going to have to do a second coat in order to try and clean the deposits off. Now the ingredients in this magic material, the number one ingredient is water. The second one is diatomaceous earth, which is a small filter media used in swimming pools. Then it's crustelia, sodium something something something, and another something, and a couple of alcohols, and fragrance. So at this point, it's a secret recipe. And it seems to be helping tremendously, and I'm going to give it one more shot and see if I can get it a little cleaner. This tub has probably been like this for 30 years, so it may take a couple of applications to get it clean. Well, here we are one day later, and you can see half of the tub was cleaned with the Kohler cleaner, and the other half I'm going to try and clean today. So let's see if we get this tub a little more presentable and get rid of all those calcium stains. So here is the porcelain tub after the second wipe down with the magic porcelain tub cleaner from Kohler. It looks like it might take one or two more, but it's looking a lot better. So I'd have to say the Kohler porcelain cleaner is a go. That's a good one. So I've applied it to the tub and it has worked wonders. Well, I know that was a short video, but I'll work my way back up to full-length videos a little later on. But this is my first little taste for the first of the year. So if you like what you see, leave comments down here. And if you want to subscribe, go over here to the QR code. Point your phone over here at the QR code to subscribe. The QR code links you into my YouTube channel. And of course, always give me a thumbs up because it helps my algorithm. Thanks for watching. Bye now.